welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing like a Valentine special effects kind of look for you guys. Today I do special effects makeup, if any of you were wondering or didn't know. Yeah, I have an Instagram for that. All the links will be down below if you want to look that up and stuff like that. But I thought I might mix up things on my channel and do some special effects for you guys today. It's not something extreme, it's really easy. And yeah, the name for the look is going to be Scary or Bae. I don't know, me and my friend were talking about this look yesterday and she came up with Scary or Bae, so I'm going to use this. So thank you to you. You know who you are. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. Thank you guys for 150 subs. That's crazy. But let's just get into the video before this intro turns into a whole episode of thank you guys and stuff like that. When you say it like that, I already prepped my face with foundation and all that jazz, so that's easy peasy cake. So we're gonna do this eye with eyeshadows and this with special effects. You'll see in the end how everything turns out. So we're gonna do the eyeshadow first because I feel that's gonna be more easier to do than the SFX side. So let's begin with this one. So I'm gonna go in with my 35B palette. I'm gonna go in with a white shade just to put that on my eyelid, so we got a color on top before working and stuff like that, you know what I mean. I just put my eyeball. Oh god. So the first shade I'm gonna go in, it is with this kind of red pinkyish tone, and I'm just gonna take some product up. This is the 35B palette, if I already did not mention. So yeah, so we're gonna put this color into the crease. Be careful of fallout, but if there is any fallout, you can always fix that up. It's no biggie deal. So I'm just gonna apply that to the outer crease area. See, this color is like red, but it's not completely red. It's more like pink tones. Guys, did you see the new Jeffree Star palette that he's gonna launch? Oh girl, I need that. Oh girl, the pigment. So we're just going to apply this like so. I mean, this is not a look you would do for Valentine's Day if you're going out with Bae or something. This is just me being kind of creative with makeup, I guess. So yeah, so this is how it should look so far. I know this is extreme, but that's what we're going for. Okay, so your eyes should look like this right now. I know it's really extreme, but it's okay, it's all right, because it's meant to be extreme. So then I'm gonna go into my 350M Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's like a really orangey red kind of color, and I'm just gonna go back into my crease area and the outer part and the inner part. With this, I'm gonna try and give it some like color and make it more like red looking, because it looks quite pink right now. So I just kind of want to build it up to make it more red. So once I applied this, I'm gonna take the blending brush and I'm just gonna blend out the color so it does not look, you know, streaky and stuff. We need to blend. So once we have this, we're gonna go into a different palette. So then we're gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna be using this cherry red kind of color, and I'm just gonna give depth to the eye area with this color. So we're gonna apply this on the eye area like so, and then we're gonna build it up. So after applying that, we're gonna go into the blending brush and we're gonna pick up some product with it too, so we can blend out the color. So far your eyes should be looking like so. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I don't know why I didn't earlier, but that's how your eyes should look. I know there's fallout at the bottom of my eye, but that's okay because we're gonna fix that after. So then we're gonna try doing a love heart over here. I know it's crazy, but gotta get creative. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl concealer, so we're gonna for the love heart to shape it out. I'm also gonna use a paintbrush. Yes, a paintbrush. I use a lot of those for my special effects work. But yeah, I put some concealer at the back of my hand, and I'm gonna take some up and try to create the love heart in my eye area. Let's go. So there we go, a little part. So after that, oh, okay. So after that, I'm gonna take some white oh no. Did a smudge? Low key. Then I'm gonna take some white powder from the Morphe palette and I'm gonna apply it to the heart so it doesn't smudge, and low key already did, but it's okay. So we're gonna just apply it on top like so. It's not, I know it's not the greatest, but I sure love. So then I'm gonna go with a luminous yellow and fill in the heart with this color. I'm gonna try using this brush I applied with the concealer, so it gives me a sharp kind of coloring. It's like coloring in a book. So after that, we're gonna go in with white eyeliner and outline the whole thing. Fuck. Oh my god, guys. No, I washed my hair today. So what we're gonna do is gonna do like a little cover here at the brow. So make sure you brush out your brow before you even start the look. We're gonna be using some wax from Kryolan. It's Sin Wax, so we're gonna use that. I'm gonna also take a scraper. It's quite handy to work with. If you don't have one, that's totally fine. We're gonna take about this much product. We do not need a lot because we're only covering a tiny bit of the brow, so yeah. So I'll apply the wax like so. So what I'm gonna do then is gonna start kind of spreading out the wax to make it look realistic. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do. So I'm gonna just go on Morphe palette and just take a shade to kind of set this in. So once you have done this and you think it's good to work with, we're gonna take the scraper and I'm gonna start making like a line that pretend it's like cut kind of. You don't have to make it so big, but. So then I'm gonna go in with my Kryolan Super Colors. That was really weird. But I'm gonna go in with this shade over here and I'm gonna fill in the cut with that shade. The line that you made, just kind of like fill in with color, kind of. So kind of leave it at that. Ooh, this looking Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Then I'm gonna take some black and just kind of apply it just in the middle part. A bit, kind of, not too much though, just to give it depth. So far, your little scar in the brow should look like so. So then I'm gonna go with Scab Waterproof Light Blood and I'm gonna try to fill it in kind of and just kind of make the blood kind of go all over the place to look like it was bleeding but stopped. So yeah, let's go. If you do not have this, you can always make yourself some blood. Then I'm gonna apply the Scab blood just kind of like in the wound area, I guess you could say. So far you're meant to have something like this on your right eye and something like this on your left. Yeah. So then we're gonna take like a paintbrush kind of thing. Make sure, like, I need to make sure the brush is quite small. I'm gonna go in with this color. We started off with this eye. What we're gonna do is put the color under your eye and kind of start making it go down. Now with this, I'm trying to achieve a tear. I don't know if it will work, but hopefully you will. So then we're gonna go in with that red we used earlier for this eye also and just gonna apply it to this area. So after that, I'm gonna go into that Jaclyn Hill palette and take that color too and add some of that color onto the little tears we're making. So you're meant to have something like this. Then you know, girl, we're gonna go in with some white eyeliner and we're gonna outline the tears. Not fully, but like a bit. Focus. So it should look something like that. I just kind of messed around with it and got that look. Okay guys, so I went off camera and I applied an eyelash to one of my eyes only. Also, I applied the Jaclyn Hill shade that I used earlier under my eye and put mascara also, and I put some Inglot lipstick on me. It's a nude kind of ready shade, so yeah. And guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed viewing this video. I don't know, I just went extreme with this, kind of low-key. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, whatever. And yeah, this is the look, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you on Thursday. Skadoodles!